1,000-year-old well. Giant python and giant snake have been gathering inside for a long time, causing 120,000 villagers nearby to have no water to eat and no food to eat. They spent a lot of money to invite the world's strongest snake-catching team. The world's strongest snake-catching team, the Ahmednagar snake-catching team, has set out again. They are in dire need of help from the ancient villages of the Indian Chhattisgarh Ganga to solve a serious crisis. One of the most important water sources in the village is a deep abyss. It was occupied by a group of terrifying giant snakes. They have been gathering here for a long time, causing villagers nearby to have no water to eat and no food to eat. The villagers have no choice but to go further up the mountain to get water to eat. After the agreement of the village elders, they finally spent a lot of money to invite the Ahmednagar snake-catching team to solve this problem. I'll come back later. Although the members of the snake-catching team are all very strong, they are just ordinary people after all. There is no mystery to catch the giant snake in the well. It can only be done by going into the well yourself. Fortunately, the giant snakes are not at home. Today, only a few small snakes are in the well. That's it. That's it. Okay. Kind of Indian python is a kind of giant snake belonging to the python department. It mainly lives in the forests of the 4 continents of India. Their adult body size averages 4 meters in length, but some individuals can grow to more than 7 meters. This makes it the 3rd longest snake in the world. The Indian python is a multi-talented and adaptable snake. They can live in all kinds of habitat, but never far from the water. This includes such ancient scenery. They mainly feed on mammals, birds, and other reptiles. Of course, some large individuals will even eat people. They often walk along the river and swim in the slow water, just like all the python snakes. The Indian python is a kind of watcher. They are not hunting for prey, but waiting for the prey to enter the hunting area, then biting the victim with their teeth and killing the prey by shrinking. Wait a minute. Do you want soda? Friends, we have safely put the 3-legged viper snake in this bag. As a magical place, the existence of a supersized Indian python has been proven in Chhattisgarh. So the local primordial forests are often extremely dangerous. Generally speaking, Indian pythons mainly live in northern India. They like to live in dense forests and nearby agricultural areas. They often stay near waterfalls such as streams, because the temperature and humidity there are relatively stable. Indian pythons are the largest and longest venomous snakes in the world. What's more terrible is that they are also a kind of snake-eating snake. When the Indian python is threatened, the special muscles and ribs on its neck will open and form a hole. This makes the Indian python look bigger than it actually is. This can help to scare away the predator. The Indian python makes a low and loud hissing sound. This is a warning signal that can be heard from a distance. The message is, "I'm big and bad. If you get a little closer, I'll bite you." But at this moment, in India, people think that pythons have extraordinary memory. According to a legend, the picture of the python killer was left in the eyes of the snake. Later, his snake partner saw it. The snake partner used the picture of the killer to catch the killer and take revenge. Because of this legend, every time a python is killed, especially in India, the head is either crushed or burned to completely damage the eyes. But now, the pythons have become a protective animal. After capture, the pythons are released safely. Thanks for watching this video.